Hello everyone, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today we're going to take you on a journey that revolves around understanding the true health of your facilities. We're going to shed light on how a facility condition assessment, or FCA, can be a game changer for your asset management goals. You'll learn about what an FCA involves, who should carry it out, and the key areas of focus during the process. We'll also introduce you to the Facility Condition Index, a crucial tool that quantifies your facility's condition. So let's get started. Ever wondered how well your facilities are really doing? Understanding the current state of your facilities is crucial, and that's where a Facility Condition Assessment, or FCA, comes into play. It's not just about knowing what's wrong. It's about using this knowledge to make informed decisions that align with your asset management goals. Let's explore what a Facility Condition Assessment involves. Essentially, it's a thorough analysis of your facility's condition. This includes looking at age, design, construction materials, and how well the facilities are performing their intended functions. Whether it's a manufacturing plant or an office building, each facility has its unique set of conditions that need to be regularly monitored. Now, you might be asking who actually performs these assessments. There are two main approaches. You can use internal resources or bring in external experts. The choice often depends on the complexity and number of facilities you're managing, as well as the expertise required. During an FCA, there are specific focus areas to consider. For instance, how much deferred maintenance is there? What about energy efficiency? Are there any significant risks that need to be managed? Addressing these questions can help pinpoint where improvements are needed. One critical tool in this process is the Facility Condition Index, or FCI. This index helps you quantify the condition of your facility by comparing the cost of existing deficiencies to the current replacement value. An FCI of 10% or less generally indicates that your facility is in good condition. But what do you do with all this information? A detailed FCA doesn't just highlight problems, it provides a foundation for strategic decision-making. It helps you determine where to allocate resources, how to improve maintenance strategies, and even how to enhance overall operational efficiency. For those looking to dive deeper, there are several resources and standards that can guide you in conducting effective FCAs. Organizations like ASTM and IFMA offer valuable guidelines and benchmarks. In summary, whether you're just starting to explore the idea of facility condition assessments or looking to refine your approach, understanding and implementing an effective FCA can significantly impact your maintenance and reliability efforts. It's not just about fixing problems, it's about foreseeing them and strategically planning to enhance the longevity and functionality of your facilities. And that wraps up our discussion on facility condition assessments. We've learned about what an FCA involves, who should carry it out, the key areas of focus during the process, and the importance of the Facility Condition Index. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. For more information about our services and how we can help your maintenance and reliability teams be more successful, visit us at upkeep.com. Until next time, keep your facilities running smoothly.